Okay, good morning, my dear students. Please be online. Please be online so that we can start our topic. So, whosoever there, good morning, bete. Good morning, MS. How are you? Fine. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Yes? Yes or no? Might have visited dam site. Hmm? KS, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay, okay, good. Okay, okay, good. So see, last time I asked one question: कि how many chapters should I give you for the upcoming online assessment? Why it has been cancelled, bete? That is one of the beautiful place to visit. One of the beautiful place, and this time that is totally that's this time. So there is a lot of water. You can say overflow. So that overflow had added beautification. Did you? Okay. Okay, okay, bete. Stay inside only. So see, bete, the syllabus which I have given you, okay, if it is not busy, okay. So what I did, money, banking, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, short-run equilibrium, problem of deficient and excess demand, and government budget and the economy. Government budget and the economy. So I left out two chapters, last two chapters, okay. So I have not included last two chapters, foreign exchange rate and balance of payment. Foreign exchange rate and balance of payment I did not include. So only we can say 2, 4, 6 chapters are there. Okay. So money, banking, aggregate demand, short run equilibrium. So still we have around 25 days. Okay. 24, 25 days are there. So we can go through these chapters and easily we can also learn better. Yes. Do you have any query? Any doubt? No? I think you will be satisfied. So 15 plus 25, this already I told you. So MCQ 25 and subjective 25 marks. So both are equal to 40 marks per minute. So MCQ, math the following, true, false, filling the blanks, 15 marks, and 25 subjective questions. And this time we will be not using the WhatsApp platform to share the answer sheets. So this time we have a Google Sheet with it. Got it? Through Google Sheet, you have to share your answers as well as questions from my end. Okay, now should I start now? Okay, and please let me know what chapter or topic should I teach you. So what we can do, whatever syllabus given by me, that we can revise. Got it? Like money, banking, excess demand, deficient demand, and so on. So these chapters we can go through, and you may ask questions today. If you are asking today, like 3, 4, 5 questions are there, but maybe more than this. So next day we will go through those questions. Okay. Or please give me your topics for discussions. Understood? Are you clear, Betty? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Okay. Mohit, chapter number 7 that we should discuss. Okay, aggregate demand and related concept should we discuss tomorrow onward? Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about aggregate demand and related concepts. Okay. And KS, do you want any change? Okay. So today we will discuss about the precautions and the income method. Precautions. What are precautions are there in the income method? We are going to discuss about those. So first, do you think transfer income should be included in the income method or not? Okay. Do you think this transfer income should be included or not in the estimation of the national income? In the estimation of national income. KS, what do you think? No, yes. Transfer income, these are the one-sided income, which is why it should not be included in the income method. Okay, should not be included in the estimation of national income by income method, even by the expenditure method also. So transfer payments are not the part of domestic or national income. These are simply one-sided payment. Point number 2, income from the sale of second-hand goods. Second-hand goods, that you sold your scooter or motorcycle or car. Okay, and you received around 3 lakh rupee. Actual price was around 8 lakh. When you sold it, okay, so you got only 3 lakh rupee. So would you include that 3 lakh rupee in the estimation of national income by income method? Yes or no? Would you include that 3 lakh rupee in the national income? No, yes. This should not be. Neither first nor second. So see, these are the income from the sale of second-hand goods. So income from the second-hand goods not included in the estimation. Otherwise, there can be the problem of double counting. Double counting. Third, income from the sale of share bonds debentures. Income from the sale of share bond debentures should be included or not? Okay, no, yes, should not be. Income from the sale of shares, bond, debentures should not be included in the estimation of national income. These are the simple paper claims, bete, that I am selling the shares, okay, and you are purchasing. Got it? So paper claims are there. Only paper claims are there. But if any broker is there, so brokerage in both the cases, that a person is there who is dealing with the second hand goods. You might have seen at Chandrapur Bete, okay, just in front of that water tank or near post office. So there you will observe some few brokers are there. Those who are dealing with the second-hand motorcycles, cars, two-wheeler, four-wheelers. If they are getting the commission, okay, maybe 2%, 5% up to them, okay. So that commission should be included in the estimation of national income. Got it? Let there's 2% commission. That broker is getting 2000 rupee per scooter. So 2000 rupee his income, because he is giving his services. He or she is, they are giving their services. So that is service reward. So the commission should be included, whereas say income from the sale of second hand goods and sale of share, bond, debenture should not be included. This is a very important point with it. Sale is not included, but commission which is going to the commissioners, broker is, okay, that is a part of income, because they are rendering their services and in return getting the benefit or money. Okay, and what about the windfall gain? Windfall gain, like lottery, like you won the lottery, okay, like you won 3 lakh rupee, 3 lakh rupees, okay, during Deepavali time. So windfall gain should not be included. Okay, let lotteries, horse race, etc. should not be included, because these are not productive activities. Not productive activities. Lottery and horse race is not a productive activity with it. So should not be included. This is not productive activity. Now fifth point, imputed value of services provided by the owners of production unit will be okay, imputed value of services provided by the owner of the production units. Okay, so imputed value of owner occupied houses. Let you are the owner. Okay, service who is providing by the owner. Let you are the owner of your company. As an owner, you are using your land, your let three-story building. Okay, means you are using your land, you are using your property. So imputed value of services provided by him, and he himself is working. So this should be included. Should be included in the estimation of national income. Okay. So actually, his services are included in the flow of goods and services. Okay, in the flow of goods and services. So should be included. Last point, payment out of the past saving. Out of past saving. Okay, past saving means that in 2016 a person saved 1 lakh rupee. Now payment made out of that 1 lakh rupee from the past saving. Now we are in the 2020. Okay, but this payment, there was a payment, so he paid from his past saving. So income from the or payment out of the past saving, like death duties, gift tax, interest tax, okay, death duty, okay, gift tax, interest taxes, tax on interest with it. If a person is getting more interest, income from the interest, then he has to pay the taxes. So interest taxes, okay, are not included in the estimation of national income, because they are paid out of the wealth. Okay, these are paid out of the wealth, okay, or past saving. So these are paid out of the wealth or past saving, okay, past saving. or past sources of the income. So do not add current flow of goods and services. So do not add what? Do not add flow of goods and services. Do not add flow of goods and services with it. So which is why it should not be included in the estimation of national income by income method. So these are about the 6 points. 6 points within. Again, we can discuss about topic income method and precautions. Income method and precautions. First, transfer income. One-sided income should not be included. Then income from the sale and purchase. Okay, sale of second-hand goods. That you are selling the scooter, motorcycle. Okay, and you received that 30,000 or 50,000 should not be included in the estimation of national income. Okay. Okay. Third point, income from the sale of share, bond, debentures should not be included. So simply these are the paper claims. Okay. Do not add in the flow of goods and services. Fourth point, windfall gains like lottery or horse race. So these should not be included in the estimation of national income. Got it? Because in return there is no any flow of goods and services. Fifth point, imputed value of services provided by the owner of production unit. Let you are the owner of one company which is making ACs. Okay, so imputed value that you are using your land, plot, then property. So that should be included in the estimation of national income. Somewhere it is helping to in the flow of goods and services. Point number 6. Okay. Payment out of the past saving meeting. So I said, let you saved 2017 and this is 2020. Okay, this is the past time and this is present. Okay, you saved around 2 lakh rupee. You saved around 2 lakh rupees in 2017. 2017 bete. How much? 2 lakh saved by in the past. It may be 2017, 18, 19 or any other year. Okay, past year. Now payment out of the past saving, like sometime there is a gift tax or interest tax, interest on income, interest on your income bete. Like post office saving. Got it? Then other savings are also there. If a person is getting more than 10,000 as a interest, then he has to pay the tax. So this is called interest tax. Got it? If your parents let they having FDs and saving account, and in a year they are getting more than 10,000 rupee as a rate of interest. 10,000 rupee as a rate of interest. Okay, so they have to pay the tax on that interest. Do you know? Got it? Because that is his income, additional income. So from the additional income we have to pay the tax with it. Okay? Or gift tax is also there. Let X or Y person is there. Got it? X and Y person is there. So death duties which are paid by some others. Death duties which are paid by others. So these are not included in the national income because why not? Because these are paid out of the present, means they are paid out of the past saving. Okay, out of the past saving. And do not add in the flow, current flow, and this do not add in the current flow of goods and services. Do not include in the flow of goods and services. Okay, payment out of past saving. So should not be included in the estimation of national income because already included during that period of time. And when we talk about 2016, in the 2016 we have added this saving, whatever amount saved by that person. Okay, generally it will reflect in that in his balance sheet, or we can say income tax returns, ITR. So there we are showing you how much income saved by us. MS, royalty tax. See, tax is a one-sided payment. Whatever tax is there, tax is one-sided payment, and these are the compulsory payment which we have to give to the government. So taxes are not included. Taxes and these one-sided payments should not be included. Okay, old age pension should not be included. But pension or retirement is a part of income. That should be included. Why should be included? Because that person has given his services. Okay, maybe for the period of 10, 20, 30 or 40 years. Okay. So this is about the income method precautions. Okay. Okay, dear. So precautions of the expenditure method already discussed. Okay. Any other point which you want to discuss now? So precaution of value added method is over or not? Precautions of value added method. Yes, no. Have we completed? Or waiting for your reply? Okay, so precautions are over. Value added income and expenditure method over. So what else we can discuss now? Depreciation and capital loss. Depreciation and capital loss. Depreciation and the capital loss. Okay. Okay, precautions of expenditure method. Okay, afterward, after this point, so let us discuss in short about what is the difference between okay, so about the what is the difference between depreciation and the capital loss? So the first we have to discuss about the meaning. Okay, first main point, that what is the meaning of depreciation. So depreciation means fall in the value of fixed assets. So fall in the value of the fixed assets due to normal wear and tear, then passes over time passes over time. Let you purchase one mobile. So over a passage of time, 1 month, 2 months, the value will fall. When it will depreciate. Okay, let you purchase four-wheelers, any commodity. So over a period of time, the value of the commodity depreciate, decreases. Third, expected obsolescence. Expected obsolescence means after a period of time, the value of any commodity, okay, which you have purchased presently, will fall. It means wear tear, that life of the particular commodity will also decrease. It will fall definitely. Then capital loss. Capital loss, the loss of value of fixed asset. It may be due to theft, fire, earthquake, tsunami, flood. Okay, here I would like to share personal experience with you. Many years ago, there was one flood in Himachal Pradesh. So on the bank of Satluj River, waiting. So there was a project, hydro project. Okay, so in that particular project, there was a number of machines. So overnight, what happened? See, whenever the work is going on, waiting. So it does not mean that every day we have to take out the machines. Okay, out of that particular area. Okay, so work is going on. So what happened overnight? Okay, or at the midtime, there was a flood. Okay, there was a heavy flood, and lot of machineries were eroded by that flood. Okay, so many people, they lost their life, their near and dears, and many houses eroded. Even that project work, that was also affected by that flood. There were so many machines. Okay, so on the next day there was nothing on the bank. It was completely washed out. Okay, so this is called capital loss. Capital loss weighting. So so due to the natural calamities, theft, accident is responsible. Second, provision for loss. Provision provision for loss. Provision for loss. So there is always provision for the loss in case of depreciation. Let there is a one machine purchased by your company. So and the life is like 10 years. So as you know that over a period of 10 years, okay, or after the period of 10 years, you have to replace it. Okay. So provision is there for the loss. You always maintaining one fund. Okay, that fund is used for the particular machine, but in case of capital loss there is no such fund. Okay, so in case of capital loss, this is unexpected. No such provision is there. No such provision is there. It is unexpected. Unexpected. Fourth point, production process. Third point, production process. So is there any impact on the production process or not? So in this case, depreciation. So production process not hamper. Production process is not hamper. Why? Because already provision is there, and we know that the value of the machine will depreciate over a period of time. So mentally, producer is ready to replace. Okay, so some provisions are always there. So production does not hamper. Okay, but in case of capital loss, just I shared one example with you that overnight nothing was left, everything was eroded. Okay, all the machines, and there was a huge loss for the company. Okay, so production process was hampered. Production or work, it remained closed for a longer period of time, and 2 months or maybe 3 months, until unless company was not able to purchase new machines or replace to new machines. Okay, so production process was completely hampered by that flood. Okay, so these are the 3 points. First, meaning, provision for loss, and the production process. production process. Okay, any query? Otherwise we will start that expenditure method. Precautions of expenditure method. Expenditure method bete. Precautions of the expenditure method. So first point of the expenditure method. So expenditure on the, do you think expenditure on the IC should be included in intermediate consumption? Expenditure on the intermediate goods, raw material. Expenditure is there on the raw materials, yes or no, or intermediate consumption. So this should not be included. Okay, because we generally what do we do? We include the final values, not intermediate values. Understood? So value of the final expenditure is also considered in the expenditure now, not this intermediate value. Second point, transfer payments. What do you think about the transfer payments? So transfer payments, these are one-sided payments, should not be included. Transfer payments also not included. Yes? Any doubt? Transfer payments? Third point, purchase of second-hand goods. So the purchase of second-hand goods will not be included. Okay, not included. Purchase of second-hand goods should not be included because such expenditure already included. Like one machine is there now sold by the X company within a shorter period of time. Okay, and the same purchased by the another company. Got it? So the value of that particular second hand should not be included because already we have included. So there will be the problem of double counting. Okay, double counting. Fourth point, the 4-point purchase of financial assets. Purchase of financial assets. Purchase of financial assets, share, debentures, bonds. Okay. These are the paper claims and should not be included in the estimation of national income. So these transactions do not include in the flow of, okay, do not add the flow of goods and services in the economy. Okay, so should not be included. Fifth point, expenditure on the on-account production. Expenditure on account, expenditure on the on account production. Let Ambuja is producing, okay, let Ambuja constructed 3 new rooms. So there they use around 300 cement bags or cement sacks. So the consumption of 300 cement bags will be included in the production, will be included in the estimation of the national income. Because production has taken place, flow of goods and services increased. Got it? So it should be included in the estimation of national income. So these are the 5 points in this expenditure method. Precautions of the expenditure method. Point number 1. Okay, intermediate consumption should not be included. Transfer payments should not be included. Precaution of the second hand. Okay, purchase of second hand goods should not be included. Then purchase of financial assets, share, bond, debenture should not be included. Last point, expenditure on account production. On account production. That Maruti Suzuki is using 5 units, 5 cars. Okay, for their employees. Okay, so it should be included in the estimation of national income because there is a flow of goods and services. Means 5 car has been produced by the company. Okay, so this is about the expenditure method. Precautions of expenditure method. Okay, bete. So tomorrow we will discuss about chapter number or chapter name. Chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. MS. Next name. What is the name of chapter? Name of the chapter is okay. Do you have any query? Otherwise, today, no. Yeah.